Postman is a great tool for testing APIs, but it's also incredibly valuable for discovering new APIs and discovering things on our public API network. One of the ways to leverage this in Postman is with related collections. So for example, if I've searched for api.twitter.com or entered it in the URL bar, if I want to see collections related to this, I'm going to scroll over here to this light bulb icon in the right context bar, and you can see it says related collections. So I'll click this, and it's going to pull up collections that are related to what I've entered in the URL here. In this case, the related public collections are the Twitter API, good documentation checklist, and so forth. And you can see I also have information on how many forks already exist for this collection, how many views exist, and maybe most importantly, you have the ability to fork this collection directly from this list into the workspace you're already in. So if I were to click this, I now have the option to fork a related collection and be able to use that to help with what I've searched for already.